Welcome to question bank. Today's question is, what is the value of following integral where c represents a closed path in z plane given by z mod is equal to 3. This is the integral given and we have to find out its value. So now this integral has the function fz can be represented as phi z by z minus z naught. This is the representation, and here phi z is z square minus z plus 4j, and z0 is minus 2j. So this is the representation, and we can apply here the Cauchy's integral formula, because here the singular point minus 2j lies within the closed path or the closed area given by z is equal to z mod is equal to 3. That means this is the z plane and this is the z mod is equal to 3. This is the area, and minus 2j is here, minus 2j. So as this is lying inside the area, here we can apply Cauchy's integral formula. In case of Cauchy's integral formula, if phi z is an analytic function at each and every point within and on a simple closed curve C, and z0 is any point within C, then closed integral, this is the Cauchy's integral formula, closed integral within C of fz is given as phi z by z minus z0 dz is equal to 2 pi I into phi of z0. This is for 1 power or exponent of 1 in the denominator. If this is represented like this, phi z by z minus z0 whole to the power n plus 1, this is power is n plus 1, then what will be the answer? Answer will be 2 pi I by n factorial into nth derivative of phi z, where z value is put to be, where z value will put to be z0. This is the formula. So here we will apply this one. So what will be the value? Value will be, integral value will be z square minus z plus 4j by z minus 2j is equal to 2 pi j phi of singular point. So this is equal to 2 pi j into phi of j, means z is equal to minus 2j square minus of minus 2j plus 4j. Here I have taken z to be equal to z0, that is equal to minus 2j. So this is equal to 2 pi j minus 4 plus 2j plus 4j. and this is equal to 2 pi j 6j minus 4, which is equal to 2 pi into minus 6 minus 4j minus 2 pi into 2 taking common, this is 3 plus 2j, and the answer will be minus 4 pi 3 plus 2j, minus 4 pi 3 plus 2j, minus 4 pi 3 plus 2j. Option C is the correct answer here. Minus 4 pi into 3 plus 2j. So this is a question from engineering mathematics from complex variables, complex integral. So thank you for watching up to here.